Namaskaram. Welcome to Vidya Retreat. Welcome to Astral Projection, Out of Body Experience and Lucid Dreaming class. I am your instructor, author Dr. Himani Vashisht. Most of the content that I am going to share in the class is from my book, Astral Projection, Out of Body Experience and Lucid Dreaming. I had started writing this book in 2012 and the first edition came in 2016. This book was a result of my extensive research of many years. So you can see that this astral projection, I'm into it. I'm into this concept for many years. That's why in this course, I'm also going to share a lot of my experiences with you time to time about the astral projection. So before we talk about anything else, first thing I would like to explain you what the astral projection is. Astral projection, it's like an occult skill. It is a skill, I would call it an occult skill. So this skill enables you to leave your physical body, to leave this body, this physical body consciously. So you can call it your consciousness, you can call the spirit, you can call it soul. So your soul, consciousness, spirit that separates from your physical body consciously, and it can travel anywhere. It can travel to any city, any country in the space and time, and then consciously it comes back and you remember the experiences. So for many people, for ordinary people, this definition, this thing is going to be frightening for the if they are listening to this the first time, so this might be frightening for them. So to alleviate your anxiety or the fears, I would like to share a very important fact with you, that everybody, even those who are into occult practices, paranormal practices or not, everybody is leaving their body almost every night, but most of us are doing this unconsciously. We leave our body, we do astral projection, but we are doing this unconsciously. So this is already happening. But then what the differentiation is, when you start doing this consciously, when you learn this skill, so you remember the experiences, and those experiences will be far more rewarding for you. And also the first question people ask me, that why on the first place we should go for the astral projection. For me, from my personal experience, astral projection helped me a lot to find my life purpose, to resolve so many of my conflicts about so many spiritual questions. I don't have to look for them outside. I can find them by my own. So don't worry, in the syllabus, in the course, I'm going to discuss all the potential benefits that you can have from the astral projection. Also, I'm going to make a free preview for this video so that you can see yourself what you are going to get from learning this course. So you can just see the benefits from the astral projection also. This course is going to be a bit comprehensive, because in this course I want to discuss about each and everything that is related to astral projection. So I will be discussing about the background first, the historical, cultural background, religious background. Then I will be discussing about what the astral projection is. Then I'll be discussing about all the related concepts also. And other than this, I will be discussing about the techniques that you can use for doing astral projection. I will be discussing about the pre-projection phenomenon. Then I will discuss about the astral projection, that what you can expect during the projection, and then how you have to cope up with the things there. And then the post-projection phenomenon also I'm going to discuss, and also I'm going to discuss various techniques, like many relaxation techniques and many techniques also. And apart from this, I will discuss about my favorite technique also. Like my favorite technique is like rope technique. I will discuss about it in the course. And for some like those who are like really famous techniques, most effective techniques. I'm going to make a few hypnotherapy sessions, because I'm a hypnotist also. I'm a hypnotherapist, I would say. So I'm going to make some guided meditations for using some famous techniques of astral projection. So they will help you for instant astral projection, but for that I recommend you to first go through the complete course well. Before you start practicing, I humbly request you, and I strictly advise you to go through the complete course material to know each and every basic, because I want your experience to be rewarding, and it should be good experience, not a frightening experience. So if you know all the things, so if you know all the background, if you know what to expect and how to troubleshoot, so what to do, so it will be the experience will be like very beneficial, and it will be a good experience for you. But if you get stuck, if you're not knowing all the basics, so it might be a bit not that rewarding, sometimes maybe a bit frightening experience also. So I don't want this happen to you. I want only positivity, positive things comes for you from this projection. So I want you to use my own experiences. So first I recommend you to go through the complete course. So this will help you. And other than this astral projection, in this course I'm going to discuss lucid dreaming like in also in comprehensive way, because for me astral projection, lucid dreaming came before the astral projection. So I found the lucid dreaming as a gateway to astral projection. So I'm going to discuss completely about like a complete course, like a for lucid dreaming, that what is lucid dreaming, what the benefits, myths and everything, and the process, and how can you maintain your dream general and everything. So that is also I'm going to discuss in depth. Then also I'm going to differentiate between this astral projection and out of body experience. That is also I'm going to do in this course. So this is going to be very, how say, a complete package, complete course for you, complete information. And in my next videos I'm going to share my experiences also, and there will be some affirmations also. I'm going to post some audios. So those affirmations I recommend you to listen more and more, and it's better if you can listen them every day. You can also download them. They will be there will be option to download them also, so you can download also, and I recommend you to listen them every day. They are also going to help you. I hope this was a complete intro about the what you can expect from the course and what this astral projection is about. In my next videos I'm going to share my experiences also. Stay tuned. Any question, any confusion, any query, you can write to me, you can ask me questions. Thank you.